Hey guys, welcome back to the channel in Tech. Today we are going to discuss another coding solution of the off-campus placement drive from Tech Mahindra for 2021 batch. If you haven't watched the previous videos, then please do watch it to know more about the exam. You can watch it from the I button at the top right corner. So now let's start this question. So the question here states there are 3 piles of stone. You must choose one of the piles and split the stones from it to the other 2 piles. Specifically, if the chosen pile initially contained s stones, you should choose an integer k which is between 0 and the integer s. Move k stones from the chosen pile onto the one of the remaining 2 piles and s minus k stones to the one of the other remaining piles. Determine if it is possible for the 2 remaining piles in any order to contain x stones and y stones respectively after performing this action. Note, you are expected to write the code in the find if possible function only, which will receive the first 3 parameters as the number of stones in each pile and the last 2 parameters as the condition integers. You are not required to take input from the console. Print a single line containing the string yes if it is possible to obtain piles of the given sizes, or no if it is impossible. So we have to write the function, the code in just this function find if possible. We don't have to write the main function, and this function find if possible will have 5 parameters, out of which the first 3 parameters will be the number of stones in each pile. As the question states, there are 3 piles of stones, and the last 2 parameters as the condition integers, that's the given sizes which are which we have to check if it's possible or not, the x stones and y stones, and we just have to print or return string value that's yes or no, yes if it's possible and no if it's impossible. So let's see an example here. Finding the possibility of condition for 3 piles of stones. Input 1, input 2 and input 3 are the 3 piles of stones which are given as 1, 2 and 3. So first input, that is pile 1, has only 1 stone, second input has 2 stones, and third input, the third pile, has 3 stones. Now the fourth input and the fifth input are the given sizes which we have to check if it's possible out of the first 3 inputs, that's the first 3 piles of stones. So the output here is yes, because let's see the explanation. You can take the 2 stones from the second pile, that is input 2. Input 2 has 2 stones, so you can take the 2 stones from the second pile, put one of them on the first pile and the other one on the third pile. So just take 2 of the stones, put one on the first pile and put the other one in the second pile. So the first pile has now 2 stones and the third pile has now 4 stones. So then these piles matches with the condition given as input 4 and 5. The given sizes were 2 and 4, so it matches. So now let's see the code. These first 2 lines are the lines for importing the packages. So import java util and import java io, util and io packages. Then the class user main code or any class you want. Then only the function string find if possible, because the question stated that we have to only write the code in the find if possible function only, which will receive first 3 parameters and the last 2 parameters, total 5 parameters, and will just print a single line containing the string. So it would be a string function and we just have to write this find possible if possible function only, and the 5 parameters are here: int a, int b, int c, and int x and int y. These first 3, int a, b, c, so a, b, c are the 3 piles and x, y are the given sizes which we have to check. So the function has only this condition that if the summation of the 3 piles, if the summation of all the stones in the 3 piles equals to the summation of the checking stones, number of stones, then it's possible, otherwise it's not. So if a plus b plus c mod equals to x plus y, return no, else return yes. Now in this case, if you want, you can also change this if condition like a plus b plus c double equals x plus y, then return yes, else return no. You can do that also, but it's the same thing, it doesn't matter. So then the program is done and just close the braces. So that's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.